I am Lord. I need some food. Need some air fryer. Food to eat. Need some chicken now. From the air fryer. Need some french fries now. From the air fryer. We need some barbecue chicken. In the air fryer. Oh, we are so hungry. We need to eat. We need some chicken now. In the air fryer. We need some hot sauce. In the air fryer. We need to slow it down. I'll be hungry. We can't waste all the energy. I'll be hungry. So what are we gonna eat tonight? Air fryer. Some chicken wings and nuggets in the air fryer. French fries are always good in the air fryer. How long you cook it for? 12 minutes. And how long you do the hot dog for? 6 minutes. So we know how much time it's gonna take. How much more we're gonna eat. So are we ready now? To eat. So face your mother and say we hungry.